Isha Vartak. I'm 14 years old. I like to cycle, read, do pottery. Just developed an interest in it. Then I like to cook also. The people I like most is my elder brother, Pranav, and my parents. Like when I'm studying, he'll just like say something, some nonsense. He'll sing very loudly, he'll beat the table. I used to write a lot, like maybe 35 pages and all. Books, I love novels especially.
She has written many books and I have read all of them and they are amazing.
When it comes to school, school was very cooperative. Though initially they told me that at the time of admission, the admission will be provisional because we have not seen such children doing good in school. But Isha was successful throughout, right from junior KG. Now she is in 9th grade and she was among the first 5 children.
Isha Vartak has really made us proud. She has not only participated in the various competitions and different activities in different schools and our school also, but she has won prizes at different levels.
She is very attentive and very focused in the class. Every minute, whatever we teach, she's all the time focused and very interactive. She asks us questions if she has not understood. And like any question put up to her, even out of the syllabus, she is all the time ready with the answers. It is the overall performance, not only academic level, but also in other fields. She's a very brilliant and a very excellent student, and we are really very proud to have her in our school.
She has taken part in the Homi Baba, then Science Olympiad, taken part for various elocution competitions, not only in school but also at the inter-school level.
I like studies, but the favorite subject I like is maths and English, because maths is quite fun. Like you're solving some problem and you find the answer. I'm so happy.
If I don't understand anything, she's always explaining me how to solve, and she's like, don't lose your interest and try to solve. She has always helped me in maths. I'm very weak in maths and she has developed me in maths.
When it comes to talking about Isha, it takes me many years back. We came to know about her impairment also quite late. So when we started thinking like when she was 8-9 months old, and generally children start responding at that time, and she was not responding to her name. And it took me 2 months for Isha to utter her first word, and that was Baba. And then the day came when she started with her sentences and she said that I war, I'm hungry.
Isha was one of our earliest babies at iHear Foundation's Early Intervention Center, NAD, and I think we learnt a lot from her. It was a wholly encouraging experience, and she's also very fortunate to be born into a family that basically just grabbed every bit of guidance we gave and ran with it. I think one of the things that strikes me about her, stands out as I look back on the years she was with us, was that it was very clear from babyhood that Isha was a very keen listener and a very keen learner.
And with consultation and research, we came to a decision that we'll go in for implant, and we decided that that time whatever latest is available, we should do that, because later on we should not feel that no, we should have done this.
May 2011, just before her 13th birthday, her parents got her the CP810 as a birthday present. She's always wanted something that is lighter, more inconspicuous, and that's what the CP810 has given her. Besides that, she's also given us feedback that she can hear the television and she can hear the jingles on the TV much better, sharper and clearer with the music program. She finds that she can hear sounds from greater distances with more ease than she ever could with her previous generation processor. She's also using the personal audio cable, as her mum says, to the hilt, because she uses it with talking to her friends on either the mobile or on the landline.
Because of the implant now, she has a wide variety of options available now. Earlier it was restricted. We didn't know rather what was the future options available to her. But now with the implant, almost all the options are available to her, whatever she wants to pursue. Yeah, academically she is good, so she will be able to do well in whatever she wants to do.
I'm very lucky that my family, especially my parents, understood the importance of this implant. Because without it, my life wouldn't be that great. Like, you can't hear anything, you don't know what is going on and anything. I think every deaf child has a right to it. I think they should get it. It's very important for them.